It'll be nice. Yeah, I have done my engineering from Bombay University in 2006, and I used to do a little bit of modeling here and there. I was my sports captain for the college, and many interesting things in life was going on. And suddenly one day in my college, this girl came to me and said, "Avinash, you should do the Art of Living course." I'm like, Art of Living? Are you depressed in life? Like something not working? कुछ गड़बड़ है? Boyfriend ने ditch मारा है? घर वालों के साथ कोई लड़ाई? Art of Living, you require somebody to teach you life and get lost. I'll teach you life. You just come with me for one day. I'll teach you how to live life. And this girl, after that, उसने कभी भी जीवन में मेरे से कभी Art of Living की बात नहीं की. That was the last day in her life she spoke about Art of Living to me. And then unfortunately my roommates, the only person in my life whom I used to respect a little bit. Yeah, because in this age, we think हमारे से आगे कौन है? So he suddenly one day came to me and said, "Avinash, you should do the Art of Living." I said, "No, what has happened to you? You're fine." I mean, मेरे को आपको कुछ लग रहा है मेरे में कुछ कमी है? ठीक तो हूँ, हट्टा कट्टा, खुश हूँ. But no, you have to do this course. I said, "Okay, then what is the loss which I'll have to bear? नुकसान क्या होने वाला है?" He said, "Some days of your life का बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है. Sorry. कॉलेज का तो बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है. मतलब मेरे को मालूम है कि कॉलेज का क्या करता है." मैंने कहा अच्छा, पैसे इतने देने. मैंने कहा पैसे तो बिल्कुल चांस ही नहीं, बिल्कुल पैसे नहीं. तो तेरे को थोड़ी ना भरते, तेरे बाप को भरते हैं. मैंने कहा ठीक है, फिर मेरे बाप से बात करो. And the moment my roommate called my father that I am sending your son for an Art of Living course, my father is the most happiest person on this planet Earth. Like, something may happen to this guy, something. And I did this course. My intention of going for this course was so that I can just go there for 5 minutes and then quit the course. ताकि मैं जाऊँ ही ना. ये सब चीजें मतलब मेरे को चमकती नहीं है. But you will not believe those 6 days when I did the course were the best days of my life. And since then, I teach this course now. What I do now in life, I teach people how to breathe. Very interestingly, and how to make them happy. But what happened in my life? What kind of transformation I took for a better? That is why I am here for. What changes this course made in my life, and how can it help you? Are you willing to listen to me?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I'll tell you this very interesting problem which I have. जब आप लेक्चर में जाते हो किसी, काफी बहुत अच्छे लेक्चर्स होते हैं और उससे भी अच्छे लेक्चर्स होते हैं, तो हम कैसे बैठते हैं लेक्चर में? कोई ऐसे सो रहा है, कोई किसी की नींद नहीं पूरी हो रही. Do you see? और वहां पे एक टीचर होता है जो आपको वही सब्जेक्ट लास्ट 30 सालों से या 15 सालों से पढ़ा रहा है. इमेजिन करो उसको कैसे ब्राइट चेहरे देखने पड़ते हैं. I mean, it's not the fault of the teacher, it's the fault of you. So if you want me to give you what I'm here for, you have to be a little bit more brighter. Yes or no?
Yes.
अच्छा, ये वाले यहाँ में जोश आ गया, यहाँ का जोश खत्म हो गया. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So how many of you want to be successful in life? Can I see the hands? कितने लोग जीवन में सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हैं? कुछ लोग लगता है तो ऑलरेडी है. Successful? Okay. Now you tell me, what is your definition of success? Go on, tell me. What is success for you? Okay, I don't understand mind language. You will have to talk to me. मुंह खोल के बात करनी पड़ेगी. मेरे को मालूम है, I have been meditating for last couple of years, but still I have not got this power to read minds. So please, yeah. What is your definition of success? Come on. इतना बड़ा सवाल. हाँ जी. To be happy in life. Very good. When your parents feel proud of you. Okay. To have a good earning and a reputation in society. Anybody else?
Be independent.
To be independent.
Live a larger life.
To live larger than life. Okay. Anything else? Hello, I mean, all of you want to be successful, yes? I suppose.
When you are highly content with whatever you have, no more tension, anything or anyone.
Okay, when you are highly content with whatever you have. Okay, anything else? Okay, roughly whatever you have said, some people think, यार बताना नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है? Now you tell me, जो भी आपका dimension है success का, whatever you think, becoming rich, becoming famous, earning billion rupees, earning a name for your parents, what are those qualities? वो ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए जो आपको इस success की तरफ ले जाएंगी? Yeah, now I want answers. Go on. Patience, very good. Hard work, confidence, discipline, very good. Commitment, concentration, sound mind, determination, intelligence, confidence. अच्छा पीछे वाले लोग तो हर टाइम स्मार्ट ही होते हैं ना, उनको सब कुछ आता है. Yeah, I mean I also used to sit on the last bench. I can understand your lights. Okay, come on, tell me. But you can still talk. Respect for others. Focus, very important. Self-respect. Anything else? Discipline. What are the things which will take you to your definition of success? What is in that? If you get this, अगर मेरे को ये मिल जाए, I'll achieve that. Anybody else? Passion. Positive attitude. Opportunities. To strike the opportunities. Okay, and opportunities are always there. Anything else? Calmness of mind. So basically you said concentration, you said focus, you said clarity of mind, you said commitment, confidence, peaceful mind, focus, all these things, yes? But none of you said, I want my college degree to be successful. किसी एक व्यक्ति ने भी नहीं बोला कि मेरे को अपनी डिग्री चाहिए सक्सेसफुल होने की. And I hope you are studying in a college. Yes? Yes. क्योंकि डिग्री तो पता है मिलने ही वाली है. ऐसे नहीं है तो मिलेगी for sure. There is no other option. Yes? Not a single person said I want my college degree. Now why I am saying this? क्योंकि जो सक्सेस के दो पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, एक होता है नॉलेज डोमेन और दूसरा होता है लाइफ स्किल्स. नॉलेज डोमेन मतलब क्या? Your expertise on your subject. What course are you doing? Commerce. So if you are a commerce graduate, you should be knowing the difference between asset and a liability. Are you getting what I'm saying? Between credit and debit. If I'm an engineer, I should know the difference between the ground surface and the ceiling. If I'm a doctor, I should know where the heart and where the lung is. Are you getting what I'm saying? अपने subject के ऊपर expertise. और ये दूसरी चीज होती है life skills. This is the things which you said. Concentration, clarity of mind, positive thinking, mental approach, commitment. ये सब life skills में आता है. ये सुनो. Unfortunately, इसको कहीं पे सिखाया नहीं जाता है. Is there any school which teaches you how to be more confident? Or there is now shop in Ghana market where you go, हाँ 10 रुपए देना किलो यार confidence चाहिए मेरे को. मिलेगा ऐसा? नहीं ना? Now you tell me ये जितनी भी चीजें आपने life skills के बारे में बोली, इसका origin क्या है? Where do all these things come from? Concentration, clarity of mind, positive thinking, focus, commitment, responsibility, big names you said. From ourselves. I mean, I know from ourselves, but what in yourself? Soul is a very big word. What? You said the second word. Mind. Yes? जब आप confident होते हो तो आपका हाथ नहीं होता है. आज मेरा हाथ बहुत confident है आज. बहुत अच्छी presentation है मेरा हाथ. आज मेरा पैर में concentration level बहुत high है. ऐसा नहीं होता ना? It is your mind, yes or no? Yes. What do you think? What kind of percentage should be of life skills and knowledge domain? कितनी percentage life skills की होनी चाहिए? कितनी knowledge domain की होनी चाहिए आपको successful बनाने के लिए? 60 what? Equal 50-50? Life skills should be more 60-40, okay? Anything else? 80-20? 12? Very good. He knows the answer. Exactly, this is the percentage which was a study done in Stanford University. They did a research on 10,000 Stanford graduates who were kind of successful in their life. And they asked them what should be the percentage, and the percentage came out to be 12.5% is your knowledge domain and 87.5% is your life skills. But the way we are living our life till now is opposite. We have spent time, effort and money to gain what? Knowledge, schooling, then one more degree, then second degree, then PhD. And we go on and on. और हम ये चीजों को भूल जाते हैं. कंसंट्रेशन, फोकस, क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, वो तो आ ही नहीं है। देखो आपके डिग्री में 98% होंगे, मगर आप वो अगर उस परसेंटेज को अपने इंटरव्यू को नहीं बता पाओ तो उसका कोई फायदा है? कोई फायदा होने वाला? सो दिस थिंग डेफिनेटली इज मच मच मोर हायर द लाइफ स्किल्स। नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन यू सेड आपके लाइफ स्किल्स आपके माइंड से आते हैं, कितने लोग अपने माइंड को जानते हैं? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो योर माइंड, और हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू काइंड ऑफ नो हाउ इट बिहेव्स? वेरी गुड। Do you know like what are the rules and regulations of your mind? Do you know what are the characteristics of your mind? Like for example, 8 o'clock your college starts and 5 o'clock it ends. एक रूल है। वैसे ही आपके माइंड के लिए भी कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है। Suddenly you're like, what is he talking about? अच्छा, ऐसा भी होता है? So I will just tell you how this mind functions. Are you interested to know? Yes. अच्छा, कुछ लोग ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं कि बोल रहे यार तू बाहर आ जरा, पूरी खुंदक में बाहर तो आ, यहाँ पे बड़ी माइंड की बातें हो रही हैं। You just come outside, we'll teach you how to handle your mind. And some people are sitting, they have no idea what is happening here. चेहरे पे ऐसा एक blank expression है, मतलब maybe they must have one breakup, couple of papers are coming back in the exams, तो उनके चेहरे पे बहुत बड़ा लिखा हुआ है searching for network, ढूंढ रहे हैं कुछ तो मिले, कुछ नहीं चमक रहा है, blank faces. So it's very tough, like you can give all these faces, but have little bit smiley faces, not much. ठीक है? Can you have that? Yes. So you want to know how your mind functions? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. How many of you given exams in life? कितने लोगों ने एग्जाम्स दिए हैं? आपने एग्जाम्स नहीं दिए? नहीं दिए? कभी नहीं? यहाँ पे कैसे पहुंच गए? Okay. I suppose most of you have given exams in life, yes? Yes. Now, what happens the day examination dates are declared? नहीं, अभी एक महीना पहले डेट शीट आई है. Like you know, after 1 month exam is there. What happens that day? टाइम है अभी. देख लांगे, कोई गाल नहीं. एक महीना पे है. एक महीने में तो 5 रिवीजन कर डालेंगे हम. और क्या करते हैं कुछ और सिंसियर बच्चे, क्या करते हैं? टाइम टेबल बनाते हैं, और वो टाइम टेबल को सामने जाके चिपका देते हैं अपने स्टडी टेबल के सामने, और वहां पे फिर बनाते हैं ऐसा, अच्छा अकाउंटिंग के लिए 3 दिन, हाँ, और बिजनेस स्टडीज के लिए 4 दिन, और फिर लास्ट के 2 दिन छोड़ देंगे इसके लिए. अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोई व्यक्ति अपने जीवन में वो रिवीजन के दिन नहीं देख पाता है, क्योंकि उस टाइम पढ़ाई शुरू करने या किताब ढूंढ रहे होते हैं. पढ़ना क्या, एग्जाम क्या, कौन सा एग्जाम? Do you see this? और एक और स्टेप आगे एक और लोग निकल जाते हैं. वो क्या करते हैं, इस टाइम टेबल के नीचे बड़े बड़े कोट्स लिख देते हैं. Impossible is nothing. Never say die. I am going to do it. All is well. Whatever. And you feel very good about those quotes. मगर उस टाइम टेबल को हर 3 दिन के बाद आपको F5 मारना पड़ता है. रिसाइकल. अच्छा, मेरे को लगता है यार एक दिन में काम चल जाएगा. इस सब्जेक्ट में तो 2 दिन थोड़ी ना चाहिए, एक दिन में हो जाएगा. अगर मैं लास्ट में 2 दिन एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ लूं तो हो जाएगा. Do you see? But do you see how are you feeling that time? Totally relaxed. Chill. अभी एक महीना पड़ा है. But same you, what happens जब आप suddenly examination hall में just घुसने वाले होते हो, उससे आधा घंटा पहले कैसे होता है? मतलब आगे कौन बैठा है, पीछे कौन है, इन्विजिलेटर कौन आ रहा है, जेब में जो पर्ची पड़ी है उस पे वो जो लिखा है वो आना चाहिए. Do you see how much things are going in your mind that time? Lot of tension, lot of anxiety, lot of fear. Yes. But उस टाइम आपका कंसंट्रेशन लेवल एकदम बढ़ जाता है. You see, जो भी आप चीजें उस टाइम पढ़ते हो वो आपको ऐसे याद रहती है. Isn't it? Suddenly जो लोग पूरा सेमेस्टर ऐसे चौड़े में छाती चौड़ी करके घूमते हैं, उनके हाथ में भी किताब होती है, दिखाते हैं, कुछ तो दिखाते हैं यार. Suddenly the whole college becomes an embodiment of sincerity. Everybody is sincere for that half an hour. But are you relaxed that time? No. 1 month before you were relaxed, but you were not focused. Half an hour before you were focused but not relaxed. Now this is something very interesting. How many of you seen 3 Idiots? Rang De Basanti, you watched final of World Cup football. Now when you are watching this movie, Rang De Basanti or 3 Idiots, जिस टाइम आप टिकट लेने गए उसमें आपको किसी ने इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया, बेटा इस पिक्चर को ना एक सीन कंसंट्रेशन से देखना, एक सीन मत मिस करना. अपना मन को शांत रखना, टेंशन मत लेना पिक्चर देखते हुए। कोई ऐसा इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला था? मोमेंट यू सैट ऑन द सीट, और अभी भी कुछ लोगों को डायलॉग्स याद होंगे एक बारी देखने के बाद, all is well, all is well. Do you see, you are automatically focused there and relaxed. But when it comes to studies or your assignments or your jobs or interviews, these two things don't go together. You're either focused or relaxed. Now, how to get this ability in our life for everything? This is what we do. We play a small game. You want to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, 3 people want to play a game. You want to play a game, yes or no?
Yes.
So this game is very, very simple but very idiotic game. Very idiotic. Yeah? My job in this game will be to fool you. Your job should be not to get fooled. Okay? There are only 2 instructions in this game. One is when I say the word clap, you will clap. And when I say the word stop, you will
Stop.
got it?
Yes.
कुछ हाई पढ़ना गेम में सिंपल है ना? जब मैं क्लैप बोलूंगा आपको क्लैप करना है, जब मैं स्टॉप बोलूंगा आपको
Stop.
सिंपल। अच्छा प्लीज, आई नो सम ऑफ यू, काफी लोगों में आलस बढ़ता जा रहा होगा क्योंकि सवेरे से आए 2 घंटे कॉलेज में हो चुके हैं। नहीं यार छोड़ना यार, ऐसे चल जाएगा, चल आगे इसमें चेयर पे मारते थोड़ा। या प्लीज डोंट डू लाइक दिस। इफ यू वांट टू क्लैप, क्लैप प्रॉपर्ली लाइक बोथ द हैंड्स, ओके? सो टेक आउट योर हैंड्स इफ दे आर इन पॉकेट्स, प्लीज टेक देम आउट। So are you ready for the game?
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes.
You'll play properly?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go! Start! Come on everybody! Go, 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 go. Okay. Come back. Okay. Okay, stop. Stop. What was the instruction? When I use the word clap, then you have to clap. And when I use the word stop, you have to stop. But I never used this as clap. I said 1, 2, 3, go, and yes, everybody went together. अरे यार क्या बेवकूफ बनाएगा? और ना मैंने stop बोला, मैंने बस हाथ का ऐसा किया और सब लोग रुके। Before that, I'm after talking. The first time. Do you see? Now, what was the instruction? जब भी ये 4 लेटर का वर्ड क्लैप आएगा, आपको क्लैप करना था, है कि नहीं? मगर आपने क्या किया? आपने स्टार्ट में क्लैप कर दिया। Now, this is the 5th time I am using the word clap. अब मैं 6ठी वाली क्लैप बोलूंगा, मगर कुछ लोग अभी भी क्लैप नहीं करेंगे। You have to clap when the word clap comes in. Doesn't matter what I am using here and there. Stop. Okay, are you getting the game? थोड़ी सी चमक रही है क्या? वो ट्यूबलाइट लगी है ना, प्रॉब्लम क्या, हमारे देश में बहुत सारी ट्यूबलाइट्स चलती हैं, इसलिए हमारा मन भी वैसे हो गया। अच्छा, वो क्लैप करना है। अच्छा, मतलब जब वो क्लैप बोलेगा तो हमारा वो क्लैप करके रखेंगे स्टॉप, और तब तक क्लैप करना है जब तक मैं स्टॉप ना बोलूं। वेरी गुड, नाउ यू आर गेटिंग द गेम। नाउ लाइक ओके, नाउ अब आ जा, नाउ दिखा दो मुझे, कौन आ रहा है, कोई बात नहीं। Do you see what I'm saying? Now do you see what? Observe just your mind. What is happening with the mind? Just a little bit observe. So are you focused towards me? मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Start. You're focused now. What happened? So will you clap when I say clap? Clap, 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 and don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Very good. Very interesting. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Smart people. Stop. Okay. Now what happened? Suddenly in the mind there this pattern was formed. क्यों जो हाथ में ब्लू टी शर्ट पे खड़ा है ना सामने, जब वो हाथ ऊपर करेगा तो क्लैप करना है, और जब नीचे करेगा तो स्टॉप करना है। Yes, मगर मैंने क्लैप बोला अभी से। Okay, stop. So do you see what happened in this game? Start जब हमने गेम की तब आपका माइंड थोड़ा सा scattered था. You were like here and there, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, किसी के बारे में सोच रहे थे, कब मिलेंगे उससे, all those things are going on, yes? But the moment this game started on, your focus was with me, कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, क्या मैं कर रहा हूँ, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? At the same time, there was one thing common with everybody. You know what was it? Everybody automatically got a smile on their face, automatically. All those people who were giving me khundals also, He said we smiling. Now, do you see what I'm saying? Automatically smile came. That means you were relaxed, you were focused. Now you say, यार ये तो game है यार, game में तो सब ऐसे रहते हैं. No, but do you see when you were okay? Clap, 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 clap. Stop. Are you thinking anything of past? कुछ सोच रहे यार उस लड़की ने तो मेरे साथ ऐसा कर दिया. अब मैं क्या करूँगा? अच्छा कल वाला लेक्चर अटेंड करना है कि नहीं? Are you thinking of all these things right now? No. Right now your mind is right now with me. That is the reason you can smile. The moment your mind is in past or future, you cannot smile. Not possible. Now, how to take the smile in present? Then only you can focus. Now, how many? If you sit with books for 2 hours, if ever, कभी दिल पे मत लेना इस बात को. अगर कभी मतलब गलती से आधा घंटा कभी बैठ जाओ मम्मी को दिखाने के लिए, उस आधे घंटे में से कितनी देर आप पढ़ पाते हो? सच आंसर देना. 20 minutes, 5 minutes, anybody ahead of? Don't study. 30 seconds, very good. You know, हर जगह पे मैं जाता हूँ, I go to IIMs, I go to IITs, and I ask this question, how much time do you study in 2 hours? And everybody says half an hour. And there are some people, जिन का आंसर कम होता है ना, उनकी स्माइल बड़ी होती है. 15, 5, और फिर पढ़ते नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ते हैं. सबसे ज़्यादा शान उनको होती है, हम तो कुछ नहीं पढ़ते हैं. Do you see? बाकी आधे 1.5 घंटे में क्या हो रहा है? You come to a lecture hall, you know that this lecture is important, but suddenly from that window you also go out, wandering with somewhere like an idiot. Do you see? Now this is what I mean. If your mind is focused for even for 2 hours and you can actually do that things for 2 hours, you're done. You know, when I was in engineering, unfortunately till 7 semesters, every semester I used to have like a lot of papers carrying forward for the next semester. I was making my basics strong. और कुछ नहीं था. मैं हर सब्जेक्ट की डेप्थ में जाना चाहता था. तो अभी हर सेमेस्टर में, and then I did this course, the art, because I was much more interested in other things in life. Modeling is there, parties are there, many other things. पढ़ाई तो होती रहेगी. But you know, surprisingly I did this course and 8th semester, without any effort, I scored all clear, 60%, which was like a dream. I thought कि मतलब ये 60% लोग वाले दूसरे ग्रह के लोग होते हैं. Engineering में 60%, Bombay University was like a big thing, and I was like, sir, man, check. I went again. Is this my mark sheet? Are you sure? And then I applied for my Maharashtra CET MBA, just for my sake of my parents. You know, 14 days I studied, just 14 days in that Maharashtra CET where Jamnalal Bajaj, SPJ and all these colleges come. I scored 97 percentile. Just studying for 14 days, not a single day extra. You know why? Because the moment I was with my books, I used to be with my books. I was not with my somebody. I was not with my sports. I was not on my ramp walk. यही होता है ना? पढ़ने बैठते हो तो सब वो विचार आते हैं जो नहीं आने चाहिए. और जब वो कर रहे होते हो, जब कुछ और चीजें कर रहे होते हो जीवन में, वो यार पढ़ना है. Do you see what a big mismatch? Now this is the first ability of your mind to be focused and relaxed. Now the second ability is how to take decisions. Decisions लेते हो जीवन में कभी? You take decisions in life, yes or no? Yes. Yes. Now you tell me what stops you from taking good decision. There is a confusion, no? Always. अच्छा अभी B.Com करें, अभी क्या करें? इसके बाद business करें, M.Com करें, abroad जाएं, क्या करें? Isn't it? Do you see? There is a kind of a, अच्छा अभी lecture है मगर साथ ही साथ आज कौन सी picture release हुई है? खट्टा मीठा. अच्छा अभी आज की attendance, आज का lecture जाएंगे खट्टा मीठा देखने जाएं. Do you see there is a confusion always when you take a decision? Yes? Now you tell me all these doubts when we come to your decisions. What do you doubt? आप अपने positive side को doubt करते हो कि negative side को doubt करते हो? Positive को या negative को? Positive. I'll give you an example. You know when we are small kids, like वो गुलू 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 एज पे जब हम थे 8, 9, 5, 6 साल के, तो मम्मी बोलती थी बेटा वो मत करना, बेटा वहाँ मत जाना, उसके साथ मत खेलना, वो मत करना. आप क्या कहते थे? नहीं, मैं तो वही करूँगा. You used to always doubt that negative part, but when you have like grown up, when you know how to live life, you become very matured. You know how to live life. Everybody, one of us knows. So this, what happens is the most beautiful girl of this college comes to you. The most beautiful girl. She says, I love you. And you're like, oh really? Are you sure? No, not me. You check here and there. मेरे को कैसे बोला हो सकता? नहीं यार, possible ही नहीं है. And this conversation between two people who love each other, जिनको आपस में बहुत प्रेम होता है, वो एक CCD के टेबल पे बैठे होते हैं दो लोग, या बरिस्ता के कॉर्नर टेबल में, या कैंटीन में, और उनकी कॉन्वर्सेशन सुनने वाली होती है. It's the most amazing conversation. You know, the person says, I love you. Really? How much? What can you do for me? तूने किया क्या मेरे लिए बता? What can you do? And both people are convincing each other that they love each other. और वही फिर बात रात को चालू हो जाती है जब आप unlimited 49 rupees, unlimited night plans, that phone call start at 11 o'clock. Okay, do you love me? No. What? Do you see, two people who love each other are always convincing each other they love each other. And in terms, Ambani's, Mittals are becoming rich. बोला लगे रहो. But somebody comes to you and says, क्या बोलता है? I hate you. You hate me. मैं तेरे खानदान को hate करता हूँ. Get lost. What will you hate me? I hate your whole खानदान. You see, you don't ask him. अच्छा, चला के बैठते हैं, कॉफी पीते हैं, डिस्कस करते हैं. तू मेरे को क्यों hate करता है? मैं तेरे को क्यों hate करता हूँ? उस टाइम बोलते हैं, okay, I will show you what you will hate me. Do you see what you did? You doubt always the good things, not the bad things. Now, when you are preparing for exams, क्या पहले इस बार शायद लगता है यार पास नहीं हुआ यार, मुश्किल है. कभी ऐसा नहीं बोलते मैं टॉप करने वाला हूँ. Do you see what I'm saying? You always doubt your positive things. Like right now you're doubting me. यार बात तो अच्छी कर रहा है, मतलब असली मतलब क्या है? Do you see? You always doubt the good things in life. Somebody देखो, like Nitish introduced me. Yeah, he said like I have taken courses in IIM, I have taken courses in IIT, whatever. So like अच्छा, शक्ल से तो नहीं लग रहा. और अगर किसी ने बोला तो मालूम है उसको, मैं ना कल वो देखा थप्पड़ मारा था किसी को, गुस्सा कर दिया. शक्ल पे लिखा हुआ है पूरा, शक्ल पे लिखा बिल्कुल 100%. Do you see how you kind of accept all the negative things very fast? आपको याद है आपने लड़ाई किसके साथ की थी किसी टाइम? Have you fought with somebody in your life ever? Yes. Do you remember the time, the venue, the person, the expression on person's face? Wow. Do you see what I'm saying? What's your name? Rishabh, you've got a very beautiful smile. Hairstyle is very amazing. Shirt is looking very smart on me. Brilliant. But the nose a little bit tilted. Just kidding. Now what happened to Rishabh? He's like, मेरे को क्यों बकरा बनाया? तो बाकी इतने लोग बैठे हैं, मैं तो And when I was giving him all these compliments, like, क्यों? Why me? And when I said the nose is little bit twisted, he said, yeah, I know. And what will happen when Rishabh go back home? First thing he'll check is what? And when he'll go back home, he'll remember this person. He's knows how dare he खुद की नाक देखी थी क्या? इतनी मोटी नाक थी उसकी. Do you see how our mind also holds on to these negative things very fast? Second thing, taking right decisions. If your mind is clear, I'm telling you, decision-making abilities will enhance dramatically. And the third thing is how to handle your emotional garbage. You know what is this emotional garbage? Okay, how many of you get angry sometimes in life? कितनों को गुस्सा आता है? How many of you get short-tempered? How many of you feel jealous? Okay, girls don't need to raise their hand because it's like an obvious thing for them. No, but I have a शब्द है वो. Girls and jealousy. Okay. How many of you get depressed sometimes? कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कुछ मन नहीं कर रहा है जीवन में, कुछ भी करने का. You feel low sometimes. कभी ऐसा लगता है बस यार बहुत हो गया, अभी कुछ नहीं करना. Now, when all these feelings came to you, when you're feeling depressed, sad, jealousy, I'm like, wow man, क्या मजेदार jealousy यार मेरी. मेरा depression तो best है, दुनिया में ऐसा depression किसी का भी नहीं हो सकता है. उस टाइम ऐसा होता है, उसने कहा, how can I get rid of these feelings? Yes or no? Yes. Now, have you seen interestingly, आपके पास जब भी कोई emotion आता है, when you're feeling like sad, or you're feeling happy, or feeling very good, do you see how the breath goes? See, when you're angry, how does the breath go? Suddenly, breath goes very fast, and you're feeling very sad. ऐसा लगता है सांस रुकी गई है थोड़ी देर के लिए. And you're feeling very happy. और कैसे? And when you fall in love for the first time, and suddenly the skies become more blue. वो गुलाब के फूल और लाल दिखने लगते हैं. कानों में कोई म्यूजिक चलने लगता है. उस टाइम कैसा होता है? और कैसे? सब अच्छे हैं यार, सब अच्छे हैं, सब अच्छे हैं, सब अच्छे. तो मैं बिठाने जा रहा हूँ, तू भी ले यार, तू भी तैयार कर। Do you see how your breath is changing with every emotion? Now interesting part is अभी तक आज तक हमारे इमोशंस ने हमारे को हैंडल किया है। अभी मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है तो मैं उस 5 लोगों से बात नहीं करूंगा या मैं उनको चिल्लाऊंगा जाके, या अभी मेरा मन ठीक नहीं है तो I won't go for a lecture, I just sit in my room. Emotions are handling you, but if you know your breath little bit, you can handle your emotions. This is an amazing thing. Have you seen in our country all these folk dances, Bhangra, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi? उनके चेहरे पे हर टाइप के एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं, जेलसी का, ग्रीड का, रिग्रेट का। क्या वो सच में उनको इमोशंस हो रहे होते हैं अंदर से? What did they do? They use your breath. What is the first thing which you did when you were born?
Cry.
Before crying. Then you went on. Yes, the first thing you did is what? Breathing in. And the last thing you do is what? Breathing out. और ये सांस अंदर लेने से बाहर छोड़ने तक के बीच में वाले जो एरिया को बोलते हैं लाइफ, जहां पे सब पंगे हो जाते हैं। Because we forget this most essential aspect of our life, that is breath. When is the last time you were aware that you were breathing?
Right now.
Like now. But you see, when जेली का कभी कुत्ता बैठा या कभी हमारे को लिफ्ट में आना पड़ता है और लिफ्ट बंद हो जाती है, यार आज तो लिफ्ट नहीं चल रही, सांस चढ़ गया, या कभी एस्थमा का अटैक, उस टाइम हमारे को ध्यान आता है कि हमारे पास सांस है। But most of the times we neglect it because your breath is the link between your body and the mind. Your body, you know very well how to handle care of. You put Levi's jeans, you put Brill cream and Fair and Lovely, Fair and Handsome, your Nike jeans. On your body you handle it brilliantly. But mind, there's a big question mark. Now this is the link between your body and the mind, your breath. If you're not utilizing your breath, it is very, very, very tough to reach to the level of your mind. Very tough. You will say, I will read all those books, वो किताबें पढ़ लेंगे जिनसे मन ठीक हो जाएगा। कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। क्या आज मैं आस्था और संस्कार के सामने बैठ जाऊंगा, जितने लोग आते हैं सबको सुन लूंगा, कुछ तो होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला। Now this is the thing about your mind. How to get rid of this emotional garbage with the help of your breath. The third ability of your mind. To getting rid of this. Tell me, okay, which person do you like in your life? There is this one person who's always happy, bubbly, enthusiastic, joyful, and this other person is always depressed. यार क्या करूँगा, मेरा जीवन ही ऐसा है। आपको किसके साथ रहना अच्छा लगता है? फर्स्ट वाले के साथ ना, तो आप खुद नहीं चाहते हो कि वैसा बनना चाहो। This is where the breath will come into picture. You know, I just recently took this course for who's right now India's most talked about sports person. Right now, Saina Nehwal. Yeah. So just 2 weeks back, I took a course in the Badminton Academy in Hyderabad, where Saina Nehwal was also doing the same workshop, which you will be going through. And you will not believe the top Indian players of badminton, who are like India number 2, world number 13. Saina herself has become world number 2. Their experience after this course was phenomenal. They said, अभी तक हमारे को अपनी breath का ये aspect मालूम ही नहीं था. And after this course, suddenly all of their rankings has changed. Because if you just little bit know your breath, you have no idea what a potential can be. I'm talking about the best sports person. हमारे को लगता है कि उनको तो champ है, मगर also they required this help. Myself, my personal benefit for this course was, you know, in third semester engineering we had this subject called as communication skills, जिसमें आके एक सामने जाके एक presentation देनी होती है. And जिस दिन वो presentation declare हुई कि 2 लोगों को presentation देनी, मैंने उस दिन अपने आप को गालियाँ देना शुरू की। मैंने क्यों इंजीनियरिंग ली, क्यों मतलब ये presentation देने के लिए? और उस दिन decide हो गया 5 मिनट तू presentation देगा, 5 मिनट, 1 मिनट भी extra नहीं दूंगा. And the moment I went on the stage, you will not believe, flat 30 seconds, I was out from the stage. My shirt had come out from my jeans, my hair had gone haywire, I was sweating, my mic was shivering. और मेरे को लग रहा था ये 60 लोग क्यों मेरे को देख रहे हैं? ये जीवन में कोई काम धाम नहीं है। ऐसा लग रहा राक्षस बैठे हो, सबके सब खाने के लिए वेट कर रहे मेरी। और do you see, और लास्ट बेंच पे कैसे होता है? लास्ट बेंच पे लगता है ये तो अपना साम्राज्य है, इधर से हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, आगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर को भी भेज दो यार। और क्योंकि लास्ट बेंच बहुत एडवांटेजियस सीट होती है, वहां पे आप एसएमएस भी कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, रात में जो नींद रह गई है वो भी कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, है कि नहीं? वो चौक भी मार सकते हो। मगर उसी आदमी ने बोला यार एक प्रेजेंट नहीं यार, ठीक है देख। Do you see how this confidence shifts from the last seat to the stage? How many of you have this little bit fear of going on the stage. Or you cannot face audience together. You know, this was my case. Are you seeing any difference in me? The same person who couldn't even speak in front of his class, who were 60 people whom I was knowing for last 2 years. Right now you're a bunch of 100 people whom I don't know. This is the confidence level because उसको confidence को सबसे आपकी चीज एक ही चीज रोकती है, आपका ego. सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, क्योंकि वो वहां पे एक कॉर्नर पे एक लड़की बैठी हुई है जिसके ऊपर मैंने 15 दिन से इंप्रेशन बना कर रखा है. अगर मैंने स्टेज पे आके गलती कर दी तो पोपट. या वो जो मेरा फ्रेंड सर्कल है जिसके बीच में एकदम अपनी स्टच कूल ड्यूड इमेज है, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे गलती कर दी तो पूरा साल मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. चल चले निकल देख लिया तेरे को कितना हीरो बनता है. This is what stops your confidence. Yes or no? Yes. Because the moment you are with your friends on the last seat, you are extremely confident. Because all these things come under life skills. Now again I will come back to the same thing. Just see what kind of effort you have putting in to get these life skills. Till now you have done nothing. Now this workshop which is going to happen in your college from Monday. Today is what? Because we just came to know about this today. So Monday the workshop starts. It's a 3-day workshop for you, especially done for your college. 3-day, 4 hours. Like last day maybe will be 6-7 hours. And one of the most fun-filled experiences. Like you enjoyed this session which I did? Yes. ऐसा तो नहीं लगा मैंने काफी प्रवचन दिया? No. You enjoyed, no? Same workshop. It's just a glimpse of this workshop. Plus there are some very beautiful techniques which will help you to handle these situations in life. So what is the investment you have to put in over here? Let's just see the investment you have put in to get knowledge domain, which is just 12.5%. Time, the age you are living right now, that is the investment you put in for your money, lakhs of rupees on schools, then some lakhs in a degree, then one more couple of lakhs more in a master's course, yeah? Some around 10-20 lakhs. And then effort, somewhat whenever we feel like we give. The investment for this course, time, effort and money. Time is 3 days, around 4 to 5 hours every day. That can be done. That too is happening just when you finish the college, the course will start, like 3 p.m. to 6-7 p.m. Effort is unlimited because this course has the ability to change you that moment, wherever you want to be, wherever. Because right now the life you are living is the life which you have to live, not the life which you want to live. This workshop will give you the life which you want to live. And the third thing is money. Money is just 2,000 rupees. That's it. 87.5% of your success depends on life skills. Just check how much investment are you doing for this. How many of you think this can be done once in a lifetime? This workshop can be done. Okay, wait. Last time I asked this question, how many of you want to be successful in life? कितने लोग successful होना चाहते हैं? Very good. You know, this is my favorite question. Because जिस तरीके से आपका हाथ ऊपर जाता है ना, उससे पता चल जाता है जीवन कहाँ जा रहा है. Your smallest of actions tell where the life is going on. So when I said, कितने लोग successful होना चाहते हैं? अरे तीसरी वाली सवाल पूछ रहा है. क्या करना क्या चाहता है, क्या what does he want to prove? चल ठीक है यार, चल कर लेते हैं. हाथ तो बड़ा करना है. फिर कुछ लोग थे जिन्हें सोचा यार क्वेश्चन तो अच्छा है, हाथ खड़ा भी करना चाहिए मगर हाथ थोड़ा भारी है, उसका वेट नहीं उठाया जा रहा, उसको कैसे उठाए? They lifted but didn't manage to get him. So what they did, took the support of this ninth thing. ये सामने आपके पड़ा है साइड में. I want to be successful. And there was this one bunch of people who are, उनको talk बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, सही बात कर रहा है, बहुत सही बात कर रहा है, लड़का जो है ना बड़ी अच्छी बात कर रहा है, मगर उनमें थोड़ा सा आदत ज़्यादा आ गया. Like they're stuck, you know. तो आराम से बैठे, कुछ talk अच्छा है, थोड़ी सी ठंडी भी है बाहर, यहाँ पे अच्छा भी लग रहा है ऐसे. Now the moment I told you to raise your hands, it was a big fight. पहले बायां हाथ निकालना है, फिर दायां निकालना है, और फिर खड़ा रखो छाटेगा. अपना एफर्ट करने वाला. Shortcut, because हमारे को जीवन में शॉर्टकट की आदत पड़ गई ना. Shortcut. So when I said how many want to be successful, यहाँ से घूम गया. हम भी. Please note our presence. Now, very simple. आप ऐसा कर सकते हो? Was this a possibility with you? You could have done this, yes or no? Yes. but what happened? He got stuck here, 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 or here. This is what you want from life. You want best of everything, best. मगर देते कितना? Whatever the reasons can be. This is a life of excellence where there is no regrets. Where you feel that I am doing what I am doing, I like it. This is what, and there are only 5% people on this planet Earth who live this kind of life. The rest 95 live over here. और जो 95 लोग हैं, मालूम है क्या करते हैं? बनना चाहते हैं 5% की तरह, मगर फॉलो किनको करते हैं? बाकी 95 लोग. तू क्या कर रहा है? तू जा रहा है कोर्स में? नहीं, चल शट मैं भी गया. And you will face this test. The moment I tell you to how many of you want to do this course, you will face this test of 3 idiots. ये 3 idiot आपके जीवन में सडनली आ जाएंगे. एक होगा आपका दोस्त, यार मैं नहीं कर रहा, कोई फायदा नहीं होता इस कोर्स का, तू ही मत कर. फिर एक होगा आपके मामा जी के, ताया जी के बेटे के, फूफा जी के बेटे के बेटा. वो मेरे मामा जी के, फूफा जी के बेटे ने भी कोर्स किया, मगर उसको कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ, तू ही मत कर. तो ऐसे 3-4 idiot मिलेंगे जो आपको रोकेंगे ये कोर्स करने से. Please be careful of these idiots. It can be sitting right next to you also. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah? Now can I see how many of you want to do this course? Can I see the hands? Not like this, but like this. Yeah? So what is the requirement for this course is, you'll have to fill up a form. We'll be giving you. You got to know what are the requirements, time, effort and money. 3 days, 4 hours, $2,000 and some effort. So you'll have to fill up a form and you'll have to give some amount because the course starts just on Monday. Today is almost Friday, no? 2 दिन बचे. So you just block your seat because we'll be talking to the second years, third years, all the departments in BBA. So the seats are very limited because the hall size is very small. So we need to understand who people are committed. So you can pay some token amount and book your seat. The rest of you can just fill up the forms. Again, raise your hands. The people will come to you and take up the forms quickly. Any questions? I am open for questions. Any doubts? कोई गिला, कोई शिकवा? कुछ पूछना चाहते हो?